I found a seed so small and round. I placed it gently in the ground.
A drop of water, a little sun. Planting trees is so much fun. The seed woke up and stretched its toes. Hello, world, a sapling grows. Day by day, it reached so high, waving branches to the sky. Birds flew in and made their nest. Trees give every creature rest. Squirrels play and monkeys swing. Oh, the joy that trees can bring. Leaves that dance in breezy air, rustling secrets everywhere. Fruits to eat, so fresh and sweet, a tasty, healthy garden treat. Trees give oxygen to share. They clean our big and busy air. Sit beneath their leafy shade, cool and calm, no need to fade. Roots hold rain, so it won't run. Trees protect everyone. They trap the smoke and save the sky, helping birds and bees to fly. Cutting trees can make them cry. Let's not let our forests die. So plant a tree, just one or two, and soon a forest's born from you. A greener earth is in our hands, with trees and flowers on all lands. So grab a seed, come plant with me. Let's grow a world that's wild and free.